Adam, if an employee comes to you with an injury, what are some things you should be thinking about as an employer?
It's a great question, and this is an issue that touches on so many different workplace laws that it's important to, number one, spot that it is an issue. So the first thing you want to do is ascertain, did this employee sustain an injury during work? Because if so, there could be workers' compensation implications, there could be OSHA requirements, and that's on top of the body of laws that could apply for for just an employee having an injury in general. So if it's a work related injury, then you may have workers compensation or OSHA requirements. If it's not a work related injury, then there's also the ADA, American with Disabilities Act, which requires that an employer accommodate an employee that has a disability. So there needs to be a dialogue around, what is the nature of the employee's impairment, and what are some things we as an employer can do to accommodate the employee in order that the employee continue to do the essential functions of his or her job. There might be leave requirements under the Family Medical Leave Act, or possibly a sick leave, depending on the nature of the issue. And there could also be a local disability accommodation that you have to take into account. So, seeing the employee with the injury is step one, and then ascertaining, is this a work related injury or not, is step two. And then what you as an employer have to do is step three, in terms of potential accommodations, offering a leave of absence, and just really being mindful that any actions that you now take against that employee, such as a demotion, suspension, termination, something like that, that could be viewed as being discriminatory.